Okay, so just come to a Toyota Corolla. All keys lost. It's obviously locked, and it is. So we're going to make keys for this. Alright, let's get it open and we'll remove the door lock on this one. And tinted windows, it makes it harder to open it, but we can open it. Looks like it's been sitting here for a while. I think the lady has been hoping that the key will show up, but it obviously hasn't. So let's get into it. Okay, let's just try it in the door lock. So now we've got a plain key, which I always cut before we do anything. Perfect. Try the other side. Perfect. Now if we're lucky, no, we'll go through the combinations. Okay, let's try another code. Oh, beautiful. Alright, program transponders, and we will be right to go. Okay, so that's now all programmed. So we'll just do one quick test. So this is the original key with no transponder, and that's the other transponder. Now she obviously needs a key with a transponder, so I've made this one here. And we will start the car. So because it's a manual, clutch in. So the other thing is the security light will flash like that. And as soon as you put the key into the ignition, it reads from there and the light will go off. And when it goes off, we can start the car. So because this key is completely useless to me, my test key, I do have the transponder here, but what I will do, so it's going to flash now because I didn't hold the transponder close to the ignition, but if I take it out, put it close to the ignition like that, the light will go out, and then just turning on the key, we can start the car and we can take away the chip. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to give her the key that she's paid for, and I'll also give her this key here. Now this will get her out of trouble. It won't start the car, but if she put it underneath the car or in a purse or whatever, then she could at least get back into the car. So that's what we're going to do. All keys lost. 2009 Corolla. Alright, thanks for watching.